Hello everyone and welcome. In this session, I am going to introduce you to the top 5 remote work tools that are essential for developers. These tools will help distributed development teams build effective remote development workflows. First, let's discuss communication tools. Staying connected with your team is crucial for successful remote work. Two popular options are Slack and Discord. Slack offers real-time messaging, channels, and integrations for seamless team communication. Discord provides voice channels, screen sharing, and community features specifically tailored for developer teams. Next, we have version control systems. Collaborative code management is essential for any development team. GitHub is a widely used platform that offers Git repositories, pull requests, code reviews, and project management features. It also includes actions, issues, discussions, and code spaces to streamline your development process. Now let's talk about project management tools. These help you track progress and organize workflows efficiently. Two popular choices are Jira and Trello. Jira is great for agile project tracking, sprint planning, and issue management. Trello, on the other hand, uses Kanban boards, card-based organization, and visual workflow management to keep your projects on track. Moving on to development environments, cloud-based coding platforms are a game-changer for remote developers. Visual Studio Code Remote allows remote development with SSH, containers, and cloud workspaces. It also offers features like live share, extensions, and an integrated terminal to enhance your coding experience. Finally, documentation and knowledge sharing are critical for team success. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for docs, wikis, databases, and team collaboration. Confluence, another great tool, focuses on team documentation, knowledge base creation, and collaborative content development. So, why do these tools matter for remote teams? Well, they provide several key benefits. Firstly, they enhance productivity by streamlining workflows and reducing context switching. Secondly, they foster better collaboration through real-time communication and shared workspaces. In conclusion, building effective remote development teams starts with the right tools. Thank you for watching. Now let's move on to questions and discussion. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.